and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this soft pink look. I don't know if it looks pink right now on camera, but it is pink. And before we get started, I wanna just do a shout out to my best friend who is, on the day this is released, turning 22. So happy birthday, Sofia. I love you and thank you for sticking with me for all these years. So if you want to see how this look was made, just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm starting with brows, and today I am using the Beauty Express for Brows and Eyes by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And next I'm gonna go in with a bit of concealer on my lids to prime, and today I am using the Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite makeup. That's like way too much. Like so. And the palette I'm using today is the Storm 578 palette from Sleek Makeup. And I don't have the little plastic thing anymore that said the colors names, but I will be starting by taking this light brown color and putting it like in and above my crease. Starting off like this, and now I'm gonna take this slightly darker color and put this in my crease as well. And next I will be going in with this black a little bit, putting this in the outer corner. And now I'm going back in with the fluffy brush I used earlier to blend this out a bit. So I'm starting off like this, looks kind of messy. But now I'm going in with this like dark pinkish sparkly shade, and I'm putting it on the center of my lid. Next to the black. Like so. And for my inner corner, I'm going in with this light pink shade. And next I'm going in with liner. So today I am using the Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 Hours from Maybelline. Now I will be moving on to mascara for my upper lashes, and just like last time I'm using the veryme Extendalash Mascara by Oriflame. And now I'm moving on to face. So today I am using the Dream BB Fresh from Maybelline. now I'm going back in with the Milessis Active Highlight, and I'm applying it like below my eyes and maybe around my nose. And for powder, I'm using the Wonder Powder by Makeup Store, and this is in the color Nevada. And next I'm going to put my eyebrows in place, so I'm going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And now I am going to finish my eyes. So I will be going back in with the dark brown and put this under my lower lash line. And next I'm taking the dark pink foil eyeshadow and I'm putting this more in the center. And next I am freshening up the inner corner with this pale pink. And now I'm going back in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara. And now I'm going to finish my face, so I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm starting up by shading my face, and I will be using the colors Mafe and Cigar for this. For blush, I will be using the color Pinwheel today. And for highlight, I will be going in with Milky Way. Like so. And for lips, I will be going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color Soft Spoken. There we go. And for lashes, I will be wearing the Dauntless lashes by LA Splash. So I will be putting those on and I will be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look, you guys. I think that it turned out super pretty. So yeah, if you like the way this looked or turned out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or maybe what you want to see in a future video. And I will see you next time.